Well, for the first time since his arrest last year, former police reservist and now convicted rapist James Esperon spoke in open court. It was at his sentencing hearing today where he tearfully expressed remorse, asking for a lighter sentence, but the prosecution asked for a heavier punishment.
Good morning, Your Honor. I would like to take this time to thank the court for allowing me to speak today.
Former Guam Police volunteer reservist James Esperon was convicted in June of first and second-degree criminal sexual conduct in the rape of a 12-year-old girl known to him. While the victim was not present and declined to provide a victim impact statement, Esperon used his sentencing hearing as an opportunity to express remorse for his actions.
I was so young and very stupid for reacting the way I did, and it going as far as it did. It should have never happened. I did not realize at the time that we had done what the consequences of those actions would be. I am in no way blaming the victim or anybody else for my decision, for I was an adult at the time of the incident and should have known better. I brought so much pain and embarrassment upon myself, my family, my friends, and most especially to NNAC.
And even in the statement right there, his first offense he believed was adultery. You know, he broke his vows. But we're not talking about adultery. He wasn't charged for adultery. This is massively more serious than adultery. This is a man taking advantage of a child.
Esperon added that he has received numerous commendations and accolades for his service in the U.S. Army, and that his family's main source of income is the benefits he receives for combat-related injuries. Esperon begged for leniency, expressing concern that his family could lose those benefits if he's incarcerated. His attorney, Maria Fitzpatrick, also pointed out that her client had a clean record and is at low risk for reoffending. But prosecutor Matthew Heibel countered that Esperon cannot just get away with a slap on the wrist. He asked for 4 years. Judge Michael Bordelio gave Esperon the mandatory minimum.
According to the sentence, the defendant as follows. He will be incarcerated for a period of 15 years with credit for time served. He will be placed upon his release on 5 years of parole.
Meanwhile, Esperon is due back in court on Thursday for another hearing in a separate case in which he's also accused of raping another victim.